Hi there. In this question, we will solve this Math Olympiad question. What is the value of green angle x? So before we start our problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Let's get started. So this question involves angles in triangles. We will use Triangle Sum Theorem in this question. So Triangle Sum Theorem says that the interior angles of a triangle ABC should be equal to, sum of these angles should be equal to 180. A plus B plus C will be equal to 180 degree. So this is what Triangle Sum Theorem says. So you will apply Triangle Sum Theorem in this question. These line segments forms two triangles here. So one of them is this triangle and the other one is this triangle. So it's an adjacent triangle to the big triangle. We know that the straight line supplement x and this angle to 180 degrees. So if this is x, we know that this angle right here is 180 minus x. So we need to find this angle right here. So I will call this angle y, and this angle right here should be 180 minus y. So I have given angles at the bottom for the big triangle, 55, 40, and I have this angle with variable y. We need to find the variable y. So sum of these angles should be equal to 180. I can draw my equation here. 55 plus 40 plus 180 minus y equals 180. So these 180s will cancel each other. 55 plus 40 is 95 equals to y. So this y is 95. Therefore, I can draw another equation here. So I know y equals 95. So 95 plus 35 plus 180 minus x equals 180. So this 180 cancels, and we can add x to both sides, and then x will be equal to 130 degree. So x equals, in this x right here, 130 degree. This is our solution. I hope you enjoyed this solution and you like this question. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have another solution, please don't hesitate to share in the comments so everyone can see it, and we can have different approach and we can improve our thinking in geometry questions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.